welcome back to another video. I hope y'all can't hear this music because my husband is playing music and cleaning up. I do not know what today is. I'm gonna put it on the screen, but we are about to go eat brunch at Wicked Wolf for Lily's birthday. I mean, not Lily's birthday, I'm tripping, for Leah's bachelorette, because she's getting married in a couple weeks. So we about to go eat. My sister's here. I am not gonna take my camera. I'm gonna use my phone because I don't feel like taking all this into the establishment, and yeah, y'all know how it is in Atlanta. So I'm about to just record off my phone, but I'm gonna take y'all with me. All right, I got the sister here, the fabulous Tay. So I got the dog right here. The cousin, yeah, the other cousin. I got the money here. Lily in the cut. The bride to be. Drink her water.
Staying hydrated.
And then this best friend. What's up, girl?
Hey. Bad bitches ain't a beamer, that's a big Benz. Bad bitches ain't a beamer, that's a big Benz. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man. Sending cash to my account, he investing. Dark shades on when I'm up.
My feet hurt. They hurt real bad. Girl, we didn't even walk nowhere. Ooh, baby. These feet hurt. I do too. I should have peed in there, but I didn't. Y'all look good. My feet hurt so bad. Ooh. Yesterday we went to Pizza Spot, which is the last clip that y'all seen. Right now, I am about to open up some packages, or actually a package from Shein. I ordered a dress for Lily's wedding that's in 2 weeks. Try that on, make sure that fits, and if not, I gotta find something real quick. And then I was gonna show some stuff that I got from Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So let me do that first. Oh, be the man I need. I want it. Alright, so we went to Target. Don't be in the comments talking about da-da-da-da. I had to get some CeraVe. I got this CeraVe for my face. Then I went to Marshalls and got this. And I have been seeing this. My sister uses this, or I don't know if she uses this, but I know she used this, and she used it on my hair when I was at home one time. So I said I would try it. So I got the cream. I got the Pop Lock Wash and Go, and then I got the actual mousse. So I am going to probably more than likely see if I can find, I'm pretty sure they have shampoo. And if they do, and conditioner, I'm gonna try that too. Then I seen this at TJ Maxx. Ooh. And it's the Girls with Curls. I've been wanting to try these. It was $10. So it's a gel and it's a mousse in here. I am gonna get the shampoo and conditioner and the cream, and I'm gonna try these too at some point on my hair. I'm still trying to find me some products that I like. And I don't know if I said how much these were. This was $10.99. The cream, this mousse probably was the same. It was $11. And then this wash and go pop lock was $7.99 too. So now we're about to try on this stuff I got from Shein to see if these dresses are gonna be tea or not. Here's the package. All right. Better try it on. Okay, dress number 1. It's actually really cute. I got a large, and I should have got a medium, but I was scared that it was gonna be too little. So it's too big right here. I'm gonna have to get this part taken in if I keep this one. Then I got this little sleevey sleeve. Actually, hold on. Let me go in closer so y'all can see. Don't pay attention to the stuff in the background. My arm in here, so like a little arm sleeve. It goes all the way down to the ground. And this is the back. Let's hear a little bit commotion for the back of the dress. Woo! Okay. That's the back. I think it's cute. I think it's really, really cute. It just has to be taken up, so. We're gonna try on the second one. I really like this one. And it's long, so I could just put like some loose, low platform shoes on. But it's cute. It's really cute. And even if I don't choose to wear this one because I got another one, I might just keep it for another event, even though I don't know what event, but it's cute. Okay, let's try the second one on. All right, dress number 2. Oh, almost fell. This got to be taken up too. But if it is, it'd probably be a little bit more scrunchier. It has these sleeves. That's the bottom. Got like a split. I'm assuming I could take these sleeves off. I haven't tried to detach them, but it's cute. It looks better on the girl on the picture. That's the back. Can you see? So yeah. Gotta make a decision on which one. I really like the second one. It just needs to be taken up. So I think it's gonna be this one. I think this is gonna be the one I pick or I wear. And I got these from shein or shein, however you say it. I love the lace in the sleeves. And I really can do it without the sleeves if I want to, but yeah. And I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do my hair. So this is it for today's video. Probably see y'all in the next video.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space.